Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain about the most important and most debated topic in our present scenario, okay, which is climate change. All of the policies as well as our goals related to sustainable goals are uh, means encircle around this one topic, which is the most important, okay. Climate change. Now the question arises, what are the causes? Does only human and anthropogenic activity are responsible or natural activity? The answer to this question is both natural as well as anthropogenic activity. Both are equally contributing to the climate change. Okay, so climate change occur naturally due to volcanic eruption, or second is solar radiation variation. I have explained this in about my topic, how solar radiation is varying. Okay, and change in earth orbit. As we know, earth is constantly orbiting around the sun as well as its own orbit around its own axis, and these natural processes have caused ice ages and warm period in the past. As we know, the present earth is a result of n numbers of ice ages. Result of today we see our present earth. It has lead to our various changes, and now we seeing our earth now. In present time, human activity, mainly the deforestation and industrialization, are the main causes of climatic change. Deforestation are mainly because human way of consumption are increasing day by day. As we all know, human wants are unlimited. They cannot be fulfilled with limited resources. हमें थोड़ा सा कुछ मिलता है तो नहीं, हमें और चाहिए और चाहिए और चाहिए, ऐसा है हमारा. Okay, we cannot be fully satisfied at any constant point. Okay, or with increased industrialization, as we want, India is a developing country. We want to be a developed country in our coming future. So we have started a rapid rise in industrialization without having a concern about our environment. Okay, so rapid industrialization, and this is also contributed to climate change. And second is main important is burning of fossil fuel. Though alternative resources are available, but they are not so popular in our India. Though governments are making effort to increase its implementation, but if I say the Rajnagar scenario, coal is your ability of coal is more as compared to other areas, surrounding areas. The people prefer using coal, so they are burning the fossil fuel, which going to increase the greenhouse gas, and which lead to global warming, and it directly impact the glacier melting of glacier, reduce the albedo effect and cause to rise in sea level, proving a climate change in both